Hola, mis amigos. ¿Cómo está? Alright, the unusual greeting. Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Alright. The reason I did that, and please don't respond to me in any Spanish because that's pretty much the extent of my Spanish. But today's video is planting these beautiful coneflowers and the Scabiosa called Flutter that the honeybees are just absolutely loving. I moved it over here just now and had 2 honeybees on it, and they just stayed right on it with the move. But the reason for the little Spanish greeting is this coneflower right here. This is part of the Sombrero series called Tres Amigos. So 3 amigos. And the reason it's called that is because when the flowers first appear, they appear like a kind of a coral color, and then they'll fade. They mature to that pink color you're seeing there, and and then at the end they're that dark red burgundy color. So they just have all 3 of them on here. As they mature, they're one color. I mean, as they first emerge, they're one color, then they grow to another color, and then they end out a 3rd color. So I'm going to be planting these right here. I also want to show you a little thing that I discovered with these and with that Sombrero Sangrita right over there. If you can see it in this video, I'm not sure, that bright red. I had bought that one week and then went back the very next day after I bought that. The nursery in which I bought it put all their perennials on sale, buy 2 get 1 free, basically 33% off. And what I discovered, so I went back, this is Friday, so I went back yesterday. I actually went back Wednesday, which is the following Wednesday after the excuse me for the camera work there. Getting down on my knees, get ready to plant. Can you see the bumblebee on this one? Yeah, there you go. The bees, honeybees, bumblebees. There's a bumblebee on that one. They're just loving these things, and I just had them sitting out here. Anyway, what I discovered is with that Sombrero Sangrita over there, that they have, this nursery has 3 of these plants in this pot. I don't know if you can see that, and that they're selling for $25 in this, it looks like a gallon pot or whatever. They also sell them in like little quart pots or whatever, where they've just got 1 of the plants in it. They sell it for $16, so you get 3 in this size for $25. And then when now that they're buy 2 perennials get 1 free, 33% off, that makes these that they're selling for $25, that makes them under $17. And then that one would be, they're selling it for $16 regularly, could make it 12 something or something like that. But in essence, since there's 3 in here, paying less than 17 bucks for them, paying about $5, a little over $5 a plant, because I'm going to divide these out, show you how simple it will be. Hopefully I don't destroy anything. I think that Sombrero Sangrita, the roots were so few in it, I think they're going to divide out pretty easily. Haven't taken these out yet. We're going to see. But the reason I started the video off in Spanish was because of this Tres Amigos. And I'm going to plant it first, divide it out. This was supposed to be a short video, and I've already jabbered for 4 minutes. Sorry about that, guys. I'm getting, I guess, yappy in my old age. I don't know. But anyway, here's a little fiddleberry butterfly. This yellow now. This is also part of the Sombrero series. You can see I need to get these in the ground and get them watered because they're getting a little droopy. It's sunny bright day today, kind of warm. So let's get started. See if I can get this set up where I don't know how I'm going to do this, guys, to be honest with you. Let me know if that's, how's that? Now that looks pretty good. As you can see, as usual, I've got my hose dug, got the biotone fertilizer in there already. So we'll get started. Hopefully that's a good camera angle for you. Let's start with this fella. Oh yeah, he comes out very easy. As you see, Sombrero, Tres Amigos, all the different colors. Full sun, deer resistant, drought tolerant, grows 18 to 20 inches tall, plant 2 feet apart basically. I think the Hardiness Zone doesn't say on this tag. I guess I'll have to look that up so I can tell you later. But I think it's, hell, I'm not going to speculate. But let's, the camera angle good, yeah. Let's divide these out real quick. And I think it's going to be fairly easy. Just right through here. With the bore knife. These are pretty dry, so I see why they're drooping a little. I hope I'm not roots. As you can see, there's one. We'll put it right here in this hole. We'll plant it up here high. There's that one. And we'll cut these two. I hope the video is doing well, folks. There's this one. Lots of good roots. Let me get over here. Blocking the camera, I'm sure now. Sorry about that. There's the second one. Put the third one right here in this hole. And planting high. There. right here somewhere. We'll just stick it right in there for now. Take that maple seedling out. So there we have the Tres Amigos, kind of in a little triangle here from each other. Now we're going to put Flutter right here in this hole. So we just turn this around. And it doesn't want to stand up now. We'll stick Flutter here. Let me get up. Get my I forgot to turn the camera around, so I'm not seeing what's I'm looking at the back of the camera, and hopefully you guys can hear me. You can see this is a good root ball. Dig this out a little bit more. Down in there in the backfield. This is a pincushion flower called Flutter, deep blue, full sun. Grows foot tall, 12 to 14 inches tall, 18 inches apart. Says it can be put in a rock garden, drought tolerant. Again, doesn't give me the zones, but I bought it at a local nursery, so hopefully it's okay for us. I'll look it up and put it in the description. And I'm still trying to figure out how to do giveaways, guys. I noticed Garden Answers does them a lot. So I got to figure out how to do that. Gardener's knees. Now we will take the yellow one. You can see too much sun there. It's a bright sunny day. Got the Tres Amigos there. Got to get them watered in. You got to divide this yellow one out, but since this video has gotten so long, I'm going to be doing the same thing with this yellow one that I just did with the Tres Amigos. We already got the hose dug, just got to divide it up. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short. If I can get my gloves off so I can turn it off. Or not short, I'm just going to stop the video right there, guys. Hope you're having a great day. Please subscribe. Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.